guys, I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Now before I move on with my video, I just want to wish all my viewers a very happy new year. I hope everyone has a great new year ahead. So I thought let's just make a very fun first video of the year. So what better than chit chat, get ready with me. So I'm going to sit down and talk about some topics and it's going to be a small chit chat between you and me. So if you're interested in some talk, then let's actually dive into this video. Also guys, I try to upload content twice a week, one long video and at least a short video. So if you're interested in that type of content, do subscribe to my channel, would mean a lot to me. And you can also follow me on my Instagram, the handle is right here on the screen. And now without actually blabbering much, let's actually get into the video. So I'm gonna do my makeup while I chat with you guys. It's almost like a makeup story times, but like in a conversation form. All the products that I'm gonna be using are gonna be listed in the description box, so make sure you check that out if you're interested. And without me blabbering, let's just start. So I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare first before I do my makeup. But before anything, I just want to wish everyone a very happy new year. I know I already did that a lot. For the year 2021, I lost some but I gained even more. So it's been a really learning experience for me. Do let me know in the comments ki how your 2021 went. Was it good or was it bad? I would really love to read the comments and know more about you guys. So let's start with a random question. 2020 or 2021? Now for me, it would actually be 2021. And I'm saying that because 2020 was like an absolutely hit in the face. It was like a very new thing for me. 2020 was a little difficult because it was almost like being captive in a sense, you know, like for 6 months straight, मैं बाहर कहीं नहीं गई. So it was like a new experience for me. But I would like to also say that in 2020, maybe in some aspects, I was a little bit more happier. But I feel I've learned a whole lot more in 2021. And as a person in general, I have actually grown a lot, and I know that for myself, you know. Even when I see my pictures, you know, it's kind of weird to see ki that's my 2020 picture and I look so small there. Like physically only, not emotionally or mentally, but physically only I feel ki I've grown so much. And as for why do I like my 2021 version better, that is because I feel I've grown more confident in like 1 year maybe. I've seen death very closely and that has made me like question a lot of life decisions and choices. 2021 has also had many new beginnings for me, and like, you know, I started college, so even that's that. So definitely I would choose 2021. To let me know which year would you prefer. So one aspect of 2020 which I like about myself over 2021 has to be my emotional tolerance. I've never really had a very high emotional tolerance. I get really angry and upset really fast. So maybe if it was like a 10 in 2020, right now it's minus 10. That is something which has changed, so I would like to get back to that. Because honestly, I'm saying like a small instance. Like the other day, I was not able to fry peanuts because we had run out of gas. And I got so worked up on it, I was literally on the verge of tears. Like, just imagine frying peanuts. And I know that, you know, when I am in the moment, I mean, I can realize that it's a very petty issue, nothing to feel bad about. But later when I reflect and, you know, I realize that I could have acted better. So that is definitely something which I would want to go back to. So moving on to the next topic or something if you want to say. What new thing happened to me in 2020? So the thing is that I got into college. In the beginning of the year, I was a school student who had no idea about her life and what I was gonna do, and by the end of the year, I am in the first semester. Like, how crazy is that? Like, seriously, how different ways life can take a turn, no one knows. And my life just completely changed in this entire year. From school to college, the transition is huge. It's like from a puddle to an ocean. It was a complete change of environment and everything for me. I made new friends and all. So it's basically like a completely new environment for me, new friends and everything. Also, I gave such a talk about college, I didn't even say what I'm doing. So basically, I am studying engineering in a college here in Kolkata, and I think I'll make a full like in detailed story time video about my whole college situation and everything, because that is a story in itself. So I would definitely like to make a story time on it because I think it's quite interesting and you guys might as well want to hear it. So I always thought that I was scared of things changing in my life, which I am. But I'm also good at adapting the good kind of change. You know, honestly, I can't wait for my offline college classes to start because everywhere it's begun except for my college. I don't know what is gonna happen about that. But I can't actually wait to every day go to college and have a real college life experience. You know guys, something which I've realized on my own is that I have a lot of anxiety issues. I get super anxious when things are not going my way. I also get super hyped up. and also I'm a big time overthinker, so I'm basically like the entire package. Lol. But I would definitely say one big thing which has kind of helped me is actually journaling. I know it's a total loner thing to do, but I have started journaling from last year. I don't know if I'll continue this year or not. It helps me channel all my emotions throughout the day, and writing that one page per day kind of helps me. Now, I don't have any extravagant planner or journal as such. I just took a diary, the 2021 diary, and just started writing. And also it is great in a sense, like when you look back and like maybe 5 years later, you wanna read it, you will have an account that what happened to each and every day, and it's kind of fun as well. Let's move on to the eyes, and today I'm going to do like a very fiery smoky eye sort of a look, which is inspired by Shreya Jain. So the picture, I'm going to pop it right here. Another thing which I want to mention like is a big deal which is kind of bugging me, I am sure everyone in general, which is the oversaturation of social media. Oh my god, every other person is a content creator these days. I know it's wrong for me to say like that because even I am one, but I started off in 2019. But ever since the lockdown, no one has anything to do in their homes and everyone is a content creator. And I'm genuinely happy to see that. But I do feel that the platforms have been getting very overcrowded. Like to be viral either on YouTube or Instagram is very difficult. And instead there are so many other apps and even those are getting so overcrowded. It's just like a madman's race at this point, like literally. And the worst thing is the effect of this social media and this competition on people. There are a lot of other people, who just like watch creators like this, and then there are some content creators which really promote very unhealthy standards of living. For example, like partying and then going to cafes every day and buying expensive stuff and all that. And for a layman or for a normal person, it's not easy to afford that kind of a lifestyle every day, which kind of makes the others feel bad about themselves. And it can also be one reason of a depression, like am I not good enough? That is a very legit question, because when you see such unhealthy standards of living, you feel like even I should do that because it seems very attractive. But trust me, it's not very ideal. And people come under this peer pressure and think, oh, I'm not good enough, I'm never going to be able to afford that kind of, which is just not right. There are daily vloggers and there are so many stupid challenges on YouTube, especially like eating this for 24 hours, eating that for 24 hours. And I mean, like, it's not legit. Like, a person cannot be surviving on Maggie for 24 hours, or it just doesn't make sense to me. These videos do really well, and that's why people do that, and I get it. They also need money. Like a stupid person, I'm doing my eyes now. Itna gyan dete I didn't realize. Now there's so much fallout. I should have done my eyes first, but we'll try not to self-sabotage and manage this look somehow. So this one eye complete. I think aisa tadakta bhadakta smoky moment I have done like after months. I'm gonna quickly do the other eye off camera and be right back. So I've completed my eyes and the only thing left are my lips. And I think with this we come to an end to my first pep talk or chit chat, get ready with me, whatever you wanna call it. And let's just quickly apply this lipstick. So this is it for my makeup look, and let's quickly change our outfit. And this is my final finished makeup look. Hope you guys like it. I went for like a full black monochrome moment. This was my first ever chit chat, get ready with me if you will. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and you're enjoying the content which I'm trying to push forward. And if you liked it, you know the drill, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with a super fun video the next week. Till then guys, stay home, stay safe, and I love all of you guys a lot. Bye! Missing someone.